If you're wondering why it's so tough to insert a RAM stick in your motherboard, I have a RAM stick right here and my memory ports on the motherboard right here. There's 4 of them, and we've made a proper video on how to properly insert your memory stick in that motherboard, so be sure to watch it if you need that help. Now, as you can see, when we grab our memory stick, we can try to align it with the slot, and you can put it like that and see if the silver is aligning with the gap on our RAM. And for me, I think it's alright, so let's try to put it into the slot, but not yet inserted. Next step will be to push our RAM so that it fits, and it will be really tough to do. And if you're facing that problem that it's too tough, then just don't worry that much. Try to push it in, but try not to wiggle it around, as your RAM may get damaged that way. And also, one thing that I should mention here, if your RAM won't fit, that means your memory is on the different part. For example, if your motherboard is using DDR4 and you have a DDR5, it won't fit. So you will need to get the same RAM type that is on your motherboard. So now let's try to push it in. I'm gonna use a bit of the force. That was the first click, and then there's a second, and now we just need to push it from both of the sides until it's fully inserted. And here we have it.